Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M4 versus the Audi S5. We'll explore their distinct characteristics to help you decide which car best suits your needs. The M4 is renowned for its raw power and dynamic handling, making it a thrill on the track. In contrast, the S5 blends sporty performance with refined comfort, perfect for daily driving. Let's dive into what makes each of these German powerhouses unique. When it comes to performance, the M4 often boasts a more potent engine, delivering exhilarating acceleration and a visceral driving feel. Its rear-wheel drive setup and sport-tuned suspension are engineered for maximum agility. The S5, however, frequently utilizes a robust V6 engine paired with quattro all-wheel drive, offering confident grip and stability in various conditions. While the M4 excels in raw sportiness, the S5 provides a more composed, yet engaging ride. Inside, the M4's cabin is driver-centric, featuring supportive sport seats and performance-oriented controls. It blends luxury with a clear focus on the driving experience. The S5's interior, on the other hand, often showcases a more minimalist design with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology, including a sophisticated infotainment system. Both cars offer comfortable seating and advanced features, but the S5 leans more towards a luxurious, tech-forward ambience for its occupants. Considering value and practicality, the M4 generally commands a higher price point, reflecting its specialized performance capabilities and track-ready engineering. It's a car for enthusiasts prioritizing ultimate driving dynamics. The S5 often presents a more accessible entry into the luxury sports coupe segment, offering a balance of performance, comfort, and everyday usability, often with better fuel economy. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.